Imagine one system that combines advanced lighting and siren controls with fleet management and enhanced vehicle information intelligence, as well as up-to-date information with real-time vehicle diagnostics. Stop imagining, it's here. Introducing bluePRINT Connect, powered by ACETECH. With the ability to reduce preventable crashes by 80%, fuel consumption by 10%, and maintenance expenses by 30%. Our new easy-to-install system improves safety and efficiency. Through a joint development partnership combining the expertise of Sound Off Signal and ACETECH, bluePRINT Connect bridges the gap between emergency lighting and controls with telematics and connectivity. Using a combination of cellular service, proprietary software, applications, and GPS, bluePRINT Connect allows vehicles, equipment, and other assets to connect to the cloud, where it monitors and reports on critical data of the vehicle. This connectivity helps boost productivity, improve safety, allows for fleet optimization, provides seamless software integration, and improves sustainability. With bluePRINT Connect, take advantage of multiple features, including geofencing, HAS alerts, predictive maintenance, driver safety, and data analytics. With geofencing, users will have access to live vehicle data, such as location, speed, fuel, and more. HAS alerts provide approaching motorists with advanced warning through real-time digital alerts when emergency crews are nearby to help reduce accidents. With predictive maintenance, users will be able to track and receive fleet maintenance alerts, vehicle health reports, and fuel usage reports. Driver safety and reporting features keep track of driver safety behavior and vehicle conditions. With actionable data analytics, users have access to fleet journey reports, operational reports, as well as multi-vehicle replay to help recreate and replay a moment in time and see what was happening. With bluePRINT Connect, users have access to flexible data ownership and retention plans. Through easy integration to your bluePRINT control system, all necessary hardware for bluePRINT Connect is available to bring the vehicle online. Telematic and vehicle data is collected from the vehicle and sent to the cloud for remote viewing and reporting by fleet management. Sound Off Signal is committed to innovation, and with bluePRINT Connect, we're helping our customers improve fleet safety and reduce operational costs by providing them with access to powerful fleet analytics and communications when needed most.